Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to apply a wall decor. This is a wall sticker decor we'll be applying to this amazing wall, and I can't wait to see the results. So if you want to see how I do it, continue watching and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So this is how the wall paint comes wrapped. So what you will do, you're trying to remove the sticker. So that's the paper, and these are many designs that you can achieve. And now these are our stickers. So I'll be trying to make a good design here. Yeah, so I think we can start with this big one. We start with this one so that we can continue. Can't wait. So guys, this is our first sticker. So what I'll be doing, I'll be sticking on the wall.
Get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the Tassel closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It blood to swallow me. Some days I fall, but I hear your call. I pray I don't hit the ground. Gravity. Gravity.
So guys, this is the end result. This is my wall stick art. Yeah, you can see how beautiful it is, and it's very easy. You can do it. You can just transform a boring wall to a very beautiful wall. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something, or you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing, and I'll see you the next one. Bye.